Shall we start? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Now you can enter your register numbers in message box. Right. Now, before starting the syllabus, how is your preparations for the test? How is your preparation for the test? Surya Prakash,
Yes, sir.
how is your preparation
Going on, sir.
going on? All of you got the book at least, Xerox or whatever it may be. Do you have the material now? UID with respect to my subject, not with respect to other subjects. Surya Prakash,
Yes, sir.
do you collected the textbook at least, all of you? Or do you have the material other than PPTs? Sahadev,
Yes, sir.
do you collected the book?
No, sir.
How you will write test now?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know now. Okay. So you should have collected book, no?
Sir, I
Right.
thought library will not allow us, so I didn't go.
Huh? You thought?
No, sir, I thought that library will not allow us, so I didn't go there.
No, you should have asked me, I should have given the textbook. What is there in there? Anyway, you're staying here only, no? You can come here, I'll give my textbook only.
Okay, sir, I will come today, sir.
You come here, take textbook and you ask him to give PDF only. So they'll scan it, they'll give it. Then you can send it to other people also.
Okay, sir.
And that whatever cost comes, you can share it. Because for
Okay.
scanning, they may take a bit more, I hope. That is what you have to do it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And that's what you do it. Because if you read many examples, you will get it. We had discussed, but still you have to see some examples before writing the examination. No. Then only you can be able to write the examination. Huh? So take Xerox. So make it collect the book. So then you can study. Anyway, last day, no hours. So you will get 1 day time. So first 2 units only. 2 units also last line syllabus still we have not covered. That I have not given. So remaining only will give it. Now let us come to the first. I'll discuss innovative and case study questions. Then we'll move to the just briefly whatever we had discussed. What is the first chapter says? What is the second chapter says? Then we'll wind up today. Okay. So innovative.
Sir, can you share the
Yeah.
PPT also, sir, notes?
Huh?
Can you share the PPT, sir, also notes, sir?
Yeah. PPT I will share it, but still that main headings okay, but you have to read the inside. No, I have not written anything here. Just have told orally. No.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
send it. PPTs I will send it, but you take printout. But anyway, you should have the textbook Xerox. At least if you take this also, you can write it some points there. Okay, I have written PPTs means only main headings will write it. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, innovative case study questions is nothing but you have the. Otherwise, I will discuss at the end. So first unit we have discussed. First chapter is nothing but the usability of interface systems, how to make the interfaces and how to utilize it. We have discussed many examples like Facebook, Amazon, how they have done it. So sometimes we'll get pictures, sometimes we can able to see the advertisements, we can make the interaction. All these things we have seen many examples. That is what the user usabilities of interface systems, how you will interface these systems, how they have designed for that, how they have given the link between one to one. So database will be having front end, back end, and for example, if you are searching for mobiles, that it will search the database and it will show the pictures, all these things. So that's what the first chapter. And in this, what is the usabilities, goals, measures. So how to use it, what is your goals and what is your measures. So what to be taken, the measures, all these things. Suppose if you are Amazon, if you take, even though when they are giving the advertisements, they have the some rules, regulations, ethics, they have to follow that, because whatever they want they cannot present it. That is what the first chapter. That means that's what the legal issues. Legal issues means what you can, you have to authorize and you have to display it. That is what you need to do it. That is what to be done. Otherwise, what will happen? Unnecessary things, unnecessary postings, and all, they should not give it. So, with respect to publicity, whatever they want, if you take the Amazon, all these things, how to give it. That is what the usabilities, goals, measures, we have done it. Next, usabilities and motivations also we have done it in first chapter. So how to motivate the people, how to select it. So many examples we had discussed it. Suppose small shops, if you go, what will happen? Whatever a requirements are there, we'll go there, we'll tell it and we'll buy it and come. Suppose if you go to big malls and what will happen? If you're seeing, sometimes if it is not required also, we'll tempt it and we'll buy it. That is what the business trends they'll be doing. So how to motivate, how to make that one, that is what. Online also same thing. Suppose sometimes simply we'll see, but we'll tempt it and we'll buy it. Suppose if it is a shop, means we have to go there, we have to buy it. We will not go only sometimes. If it is online, sometimes we'll say, hey, big maximum offer is there, we'll buy it today. So like this, that's what the online came. That is what they have taken precautions, rules, regulations, all these things they have made it. Usability, goals and measures, and how to make the usabilities motivations. So motivations in this, you have the industrial and commercial users, home and entertainment applications, and another one is called the exploratory, creative and collaborative interfaces. That is what the first chapter discussions, and we have shown you the many examples for this also. Just I'll make it PPTs also. First unit, you can see it here. So introduction, where they using the introduction, all these things we have done it. Next is individual user levels, communities for all that. That's what the Facebook examples. You can see that. That's what whatever I have told, the examples, command line arguments will be there. Menu items, playing and video, audio, all these things. That is what the examples we have seen. Introduction also, new look, feel, computers, Vista, so Google Map, all these things. So within a one window itself, you can be able to share all these things. That is what the interfaces. Now with the small mobile also, here they have shown is how much you can interface it. You can see movies, you can listen songs, you can play the games, you can do online shopping, whatever you want. So many things are there, WhatsApp, chatting, many cases are available. All these things can be done with the small devices also. Big devices also are there. So usability requirements. So what is the requirements? We had discussed it, this one, and this is the continuation. This is the 3 points. So in this, the 3 you are having ascertain the user's needs, this one, and ensure the reliabilities, and promote standardization, integration, consistency, portabilities. So, and complete the project's time and within the budget. So here is what will happen is, just have explained it here, but I have not written any sub points here. What is the standards to be taken with respect to example I have taken, and integration, how to make the integration also I have told you. So consistency, that, and portability. So this examples is nothing but portability is nothing but somebody says Windows system, somebody says Linux, somebody Vista, whatever it may be, the operating system should be visible. Even if you see it in the mobile also, that should be adjusted the screen. Now you are using the mobile, that is adjusted. So that is what I have told you. That is the reason best you take one example. Some points they have written it. So that is okay. So that you can write it. So this and all, this is sufficient. So some cases, otherwise you should be able to write the examples for this. Standards, what is the standards to be maintained? First itself they have to take care. That is what this one. Integration is nothing but combining. So if you are having many modules, you have how you will be combining. So consistency means it should work for all the users. So that's what I told you. When results comes, how the VTU server will be, sometimes will not get in. So other cases it will be working. So that is what they need to take care of all these things. So complete the projects and this one. So next one is usability goals and measures. So here you are having ascertain the user's needs, ensure the proper reliabilities, promote appropriate standardization, integration, consistency, and portabilities. And fourth one is called the complete projects on schedule within the budget. So next one is motivations is nothing but first one usability is motivations. So you have the life critical systems, industrial and commercial systems, home and entertainment applications, so exploratory, creative and collaborative systems, socio-technical systems. So usability is motivations, in that whatever we have told, that one explanation is this one, life critical systems. So life critical systems is nothing but, so when you are doing any things, you should be able to take the societal needs also. So that means what society, so overall staying in the society, that people should not be affected. You have to take care of air traffic control, nuclear reactions, power utilities, policies, fire dispatch systems, medical equipments, all these things to be taken. So that is the reason many people, they will be starting in the business, all these things inside the cities only. So because power problems, all these things will be solved here. So other problems also, educated people, all these things people they will be getting here itself. That is the reason cities only maximum they will be preparing. So all these things, wherever they are taking all these things, life critical systems. So that means what, when they are starting any business, suppose if you are taking some medical systems, so when they are preparing all these things, the wastages also they should take care. So they cannot live wherever they want. So pollution should not be disturbed. So next they have to take care, high cost, reliability and effectiveness are expected. So these were the life critical systems. And industrial and commercial users. So industrial something is there, commercial something is there. So you know the what is the industrial, what is the commercial users. So industrial users and commercial users. So banking, insurance, order entity, inventory management, reservations, billing, and point of scales, all these things we have to discuss it. So next one is some entertainment applications. So entertainment applications, you know that many things are there. So these were the home applications. Next is exploratory, creative and cooperative systems. So cooperative systems is nothing but you should work all these things. For example, if you take web browsing, search engines, so artist toolkits, architectural designing, music composition, all these things, how you will be exploratory. So examples, it is available, see here. So audio, video, all these things you can see. Usabilities, motivations, social technical systems, universal usabilities, universal usabilities continuation. And next one is called the universal usability continuation. This one also same thing only. This one bit bigger one, user usabilities. So in this one, cultural and international diversities. So you have many points. This all these things we have discussed it. So just why I'm scrolling down is, if you are having any particular topic is doubt, you can ask us. You see? So universal usability is tell us how they are using. So especially if you take mobiles and all, what will happen? Everybody need. Even primary school students is required. So all these they are using. So what does that person is saying? So instead of seeing his work, he is seeing neighbors people what they are saying, what they are watching. So even sometimes we'll see it. So neighbors mobile, sometimes we'll see our neighbors what they are doing, all these things. Even though when we are doing work also, sometimes we'll see like this. That is human nature. That's it. So these were this one. So next is goals for our profession, potential research topics, reducing anxiety and fear to computer researchers, graceful evaluation. These things have mentioned the key points. So just once you see the textbook, you will get still more idea to write it. All key points have mentioned it. So these points to be visible and remaining explanation should be coming. Next is providing tools, techniques, and knowledge for system implements. Next is raising the computer consciousness of the general public. So here you have the another chapter is theories, principles, second chapter. So from here onwards, the second chapter. So second chapter we are having only guidelines, principles, and theories. So first unit, second part, this one. So you have the guidelines. What is the guidelines to be taken? What is the principles to be followed? What is the theories to do the interfaces, VIDs? That is what the second chapter. So I have entered it these three also. So guidelines and standards is nothing but the navigating the interface, organizing the display, getting the user's attention, facilitating the data entries. So this explanation I have given it. You can see it here. Next is organization display is nothing but you have to maintain the organizational display. So consistency of the data display, efficiencies information, assimilation by the user, minimal memory load on the user, compatibility of the data display with the data entry, flexibility for users control and data display. So getting the user's attention, intensity, marking, size, choose of fonts, inverse video, blinking, color, audio, all these things. So if it is when you are seeing audio, video, for example, best example is movie. So everything they are making matching. So when they are doing action, when they are doing fighting, all these things, color, audio, video, everything to be properly arranged. It is what the examples also we took. Choice of fonts. So sometimes bigger one, sometimes small. All these things we have to take. So headings will make it bigger one, small one. And still, if I want to write it explanation for this, still I will reduce the font size. You know how to prepare the documentation for this. So chapter names, for example, if you are doing mini project, you'll be writing all these things. Headings is one font size, subheading one size, inside text is one side. So that is the organizational way of arrangements. So this getting the user's attention. So getting the user's attention is nothing but what? If you are making everything attractive, then only they will be able to see it. So otherwise, nobody will see it. Even classes also, teacher has to do it properly. Otherwise, students will feel bored and they will not learn anything. Next is you have the principles. So what are the principles is nothing but more fundamental, widely applicable and enduring than guidelines, need more clarifications, fundamental principles, determine users' skills levels, identify the task, 5 primary interaction styles, 8 golden rules of the interface design, prevent errors, automations, and human controls. So determine the user skills levels, So next is identifying the tasks also. So once you are giving the task, how to maintain all these things. So here they have taken the examples for the hospital informations and they have given it. So choose an interaction styles, direct manipulated, menu selections, form filling, command language, natural language. So all these things looks like you know, but you have to remember the points. What is the heading? What is the subheading? Subheadings, if you remember, then you can write the examination by your own examples. But one example, you see it properly, how it will be working. See, here is spectrum of directness. So you have the first initially date, how to enter it. Next, what happened? They used to give some formats. Then they give an you enter it. Next, DD, you enter it. And sometimes they will be given the options like this or like this. So you have the many options to do it. So first is what they have done is command line, they have developed it. Then what will happen? Form filling came. Next is improved form, that one. So here is we have given DDMM. So when we are giving, when you are filling the applications for to create the bank account, all these things, or when you are joining the, when you are taking the admissions to some of the programs, they'll be asking your name, father name, and date of birth. They will be mentioning DDMM, all these things. So everything changing. Sometimes they'll write initially and they used to give only write a date of birth. So somebody will write 21 dot, somebody will write 21 slash, somebody will write year. So there is no proper information, means whatever they want they will be writing. So if you give some specific, they will be writing specific. When it is go to the online, what will happen? They changed it. So just you select it, your date of birth or whatever it could be. That is what the first one is called the command line, second one is the form filling, next is improving, pull down menus and 2D menus. Next is the 8 golden rules of the interfaces. So this is the 8 golden rules of the interfaces. So strive for consistency, cater to universal usabilities, informative feedback, design dialogue deal closures, prevent errors, prevent easy a reversal of actions, support internal locus of control, reduce short-term memory load. So prevent the errors. So prevent the errors example. So how to identify the errors, all these things with respect to calendar examples I have shown that time. Next is the prevent errors. So here is how to, what are all the common errors for us, these things to be discussed. Next is preventing the errors is nothing but say, you have the door, how to open it now, many ways are there. And here is aircraft, how when they are downloading, preventing how to do it. So all these things means, so when you are finding the new things, so it should not be affected for the humans. So you have to take the safety precautions. So one item, one precautions to be taken. Aircraft is nothing but when it is flying or when it is a landing, all these things to be taken precautions. So if you have properties this way of different, that means what, one way, one place, one interface there you are doing, but different meanings. That's it. That is what the preventing the errors. Next is theories, is nothing but the last one in this. You have the design by levels, stages of action modules, consistency, contextual theories. This is what the first chapter, and the second chapter is second unit, this one. So outline I have told you, this is what the first unit, organizational design to support the usabilities, the 4 pillars design and development methods, ethnographic observation, participatory design, scenario development, social impact statement, and legal issues. So legal issues are written once again separately. So here is what will happen. In this one case study I have given, when it is coming I'll tell you. So here is Organizational design support usabilities. How you will be organization you are making for this. Next is second one is the 4 pillars of this one. So 4 pillars of the designing is nothing but you have the 4 points in this: user interface requirements, guidelines, and user interface software tools, and expert reviews and usability testing. First one is nothing but when you are doing any construction for just they have given see one entrance or one starting of the building or whatever it may be, or starting building of the house, whatever it may be. When they want to construct this, how it would be. So they were given this, and the similarly for software also, what are all when you want to develop any apps or any software development or you want to execute any problems, how to do it. So here is user interface requirements to interface that what it is required. So if you want to construct the house, requirements will be more different. So if you are developing the apps, the requirement will be more. So based on the projects, the requirement will be more. For that, they have to make the guidelines, documents, and process. So all these things to be done. So next is user interface software tools. So what are the software tools is required? Suppose if you are doing IoT projects, for that, which software is required, what are the hardware software components is required, you have to buy it, you have to make it, sensors, all these things you have to make it. So softwares, so user interface software tools, how you are making it, software hardware connection software tools. So based on the projects you need to identify hardware and software requirements. Next is called the expert reviews and usability testing. Expert reviews and usability testing. So this one only have given these 4 points you need to discuss, and this one only have asked just one example. I'll tell you. For that you have to write it. For example, suppose if I ask you to write Sahadev.
Yes, sir.
So I told you innovative questions from this one only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First you need to explain it. For example, innovative, how I asked, I'll tell you. For example, one example I'll tell you, the similar example I've given it. For example, I want to make the guidelines to conduct the welcome party. First we have to make the rules, regulations, guidelines now. So that
Yes,
you have to
sir.
make it. Huh? Yeah, tell me, Sahadev, you're telling something.
Nothing, sir.
Yeah, so guidelines, for example, if I want to conduct examination or internal test, so department will be giving the examination. So like this, I will be giving one task, and for that you have to write it. So this one is, first you have to explain this, and just one give activity. For that example, you write it one paragraph, how you will be making the documentation for that activity. For example, if I ask you to write one brochure, so for that documentation, how you will be writing for the brochure. So for example, brochure is farewell party, let us say that. So for whom you are writing? 6th semester MCA students. For that, what is the color for the header, what is the color for the footer, and what you will be writing that messages, font size, all these things, what is the entire weight, all these things to be documented first. So I want 4x5 or 5x6 or entire thing. Like this, you have to make it the documentation part. Suppose if I ask you to write one inaugural function for which year you are doing. For example, this year means 2021 batch. Department of MCA welcomes to you. So what is the font size? What is the documentation? How to make it? So first you have to write it. For example, for that 5x5 cloth, I want that one. So then you will be telling you will be telling the messages. So example, whatever I am giving, for that documentation guidelines you have to write it. So guidelines documents process is nothing but for one activity you have to write it using this 4-pillar design. That's it. I told you the innovative questions now. Is it clear now? Innovative means you have to apply one real-time example. That's it. So real-time example also with respect to our college only what's happening, one activity I have given it. So remaining is explanation is this one only, and innovatively you have to think it. So the similarly case study also I'll tell you now afterwards this. So here is innovative case study is nothing but don't think too much. So what example they were given for that 4 pillars design means this one only, and this one documentation is nothing but what example I have given. For that you write it some lines, 5 lines or 6 lines or whatever you are thinking. So suppose if you are the right person to conduct the activity, so you should have some idea. So when to start, when to close, or what to be prepared, how to prepare it, how to present it, all these things. Suppose if you are conducting one welcome brochure, I told you. So suppose if I tell you to conduct events only, how you will be conducting for that event. So for that example event, for example 1 minute events, so you have to write it that what are all the events to be conducted. First event this one, so 1 minute how many biscuits will be taken. So that activities you have to write it the documentation, you make it the documentation before conducting. That is what the examples you need to write it. That is what the innovative question. So I'll give you one scenario for this and you write it for that. So whatever you are assuming, so every person's will be not common answers, one person, one way of thinking. Everything is right, that's how you have to think it, but you have to write the question, that's it. So here is guidelines documentation process also. One example they have taken word icons, so graphics, so terminology which they have used, it, font size, all these things. So like this, you have to write the documentations for that. Next is screen layout issues, input and output, action sequences, training. So next third one is user interfaces, software tools. I have not written anything software tools. So for example, if you want to prepare the brochure, is nothing but what it is required for that hardware and software. All these things you can write it, and expert reviews and usability testing. You can take one example for that. What and all is required. But only you have to do it. So next one is development methodologies. So here is have given one case study question. So developmental methodologies is nothing but, so here they have given the IBM easy of use development methodologies, specifies the activities by role and phases. So this is what you need to do it. So here is how to do it is nothing but, so for example, you see here some of the examples they have given it. See here is a future airline websites are there. So for example, when you are conducting the airline websites, I have asked you for this question. What is this question? Development methodologies, how you will be developing for that. So for example, if I ask you now this, so airline tickets they're given, see some story they've given you, some scenario. In today's digital world, we value speed and simplicity. This is what enables one-click shopping and real-time updates, or everything from world news to what your friend had for lunch. So all these things we will come to know that. But shows somehow the potentially engaging activities of booking a flight is actually quite opposite. So booking the tickets is actually opposite. For that activities, how to write it, the activities booking the tickets. So when you are booking the tickets, the architecture diagram, see here is architecture diagram, how they have done for one example they have taken. So this is not one person, one way of thinking. So you have the understanding users, initial design, development, deployment, life cycle. So here, if you come to the row wise, user experience, marketing planning, and user research, user activities design, and this one. So the similarly here, even they have solved it here. You can check it out, read the use case studies example. One example I'll show you. The similarly 2 to 3 examples, first 2 to 3 you'll be seeing. Okay, some internet problem here. Okay, you can see that link have given it. So for this, what will happen is when you are having this tickets booking and all, so how airline websites, how it will be working, for that architecture you can write it. So for example, what is the designing process will be taken. So for example, you need the database, you need the front end design and the distance So even Google Map, you can see it, what is the route. So for example, source destination is available. Some person wants to get down somewhere. All these things you can design it, and you can tell the which way you understood for the these techniques. That is nothing but the architecture diagram. This is what airlines is one website, and small examples, just 4 5 key values you need to take it and you write it. Next is HubSpot redesigned their homepage. One example is they're given. They're given the examples. Some story they have given how it will be working. So next is mobile only challenger bank. They have taken one more scenario they have given. Design the better cinema experience on this one. You can see it. First one and this one you read it, anyone I will give it. Okay. So designing the better cinema experience. So what will happen is when you are designing this one, how they will be doing. So they will be selecting one hero, heroine, comedy persons, co-actors, all these things they will be designing. Next is they will be acting, how they will be audio, video will be linking, finally how they will be adding all those things. So make it 5 to 7, 8, 10 points and write one diagram for that, how it will be working. So initial stages, what will happen, next what will happen, how you are designing, how you are adding, all these. These are the real-time scenarios examples. So these are two examples, development methodologies. So apply development methodologies. One scenario I have given, first one and cinema. So anyone will be given. So you write your with respect to your way of understanding architectural diagram. You can click there. I'll send that link also to you people. You read it and write it according to that. That's it. That is what the question. Next is for that rapid contextual design. So you are writing this with respect to this. You need to write the diagram. That's it. Contextual diagram. This is what the case study question. Case study question is nothing but what? Two things. One is called the flight. Another one is called the cinema. So in that it is available. Either anyone I will be asking. For that you need to write the development methodologies. So here they have given IBM. You use deployment methodologies. Specify the activity by role and phases. So when I am giving cinema, what is the activities will be happening? And when you are taking the flight tickets, booking, if I give, so booking, how it will be happening. So there you have to take one front end, back end, so designing one designing part. So like this, you have to write some 7 to 8 layers and finish it off that one writing. So how you can be able to write it within 15-20 minutes, so that you plan it and you write it. Only have given case study question is 2 examples. One is called the cinema and another one is called the flight ticket booking. Next is rapid contextual text. So ethnographic observation is nothing. Observations is nothing but, so once you assign the work, they will be doing that. So sometimes whether they want to discuss or whether they want to do it. So sometimes they will be doing individually. Sometimes they will be discussing, or sometimes we'll be watching what they are doing. So all these things. So you know this. Suppose if I ask you to write, I ask you to solve one problem. So first we'll see neighbors what they are doing. So then we'll start the way of execution. So similarly, you can here also see it. Now ethnographic observations, how to prepare preparation, field study they've given it. So how to analyze, how to reporting, all these things. So next is participatory designing. So participatory design, so how to user testing, important informant and designer partner. So scenario development is nothing but day in the life scenarios, this one. So when I was telling this one or two, so many people went for placements under second unit, but anyway you can see once. Social impact statements of early design reviews. So outline the development process. These are all the main headings. Next is legal issues. So this is most important. When we are in society, we have to take the legal issues. We should follow that. So whatever they have given the legal issues, we need to follow that when we are in the society. Evaluating the interface design. Next one, this one chapter. This one we are discussing. So expert reviews. These are also over. So usability testing of laboratories. This one I told you. Usability testing and this one. So many people were absent that day. So we have to discuss from here onwards. So up to here, first test syllabus, up to this one. Usability reviews have done it, I hope. So from here, we'll stop it. So first three textbook, if you take 3 chapters and 4th chapter have done bit only, that we'll see it later. So only first 2 topics have done it. Usability testing and laboratories have to see it. So many people were absent that day. Again, I had some personal problem. I couldn't able to take it last 2 hours. If I would have taken this, I would have finished this one. But anyway, no problem. So for that one next test will give it. So now innovative questions and case study questions. If you have any doubt, please let me know this. Innovative and case study questions. Any questions? Any doubt? Surya Prakash. Surya Prakash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? No.
No, sir.
Innovative case study question. Case study is what? 2 questions. One is cinema and one is air flight ticket reservations. With respect to methodologies, you have to write it for that. So how you will be making diagram for that to make the tickets. So you take anyone. Generally, I'll ask. So either somebody will take user point of view designing. Somebody will think architecture development. So with respect to user, if you take it, what it is required. If you are taking that, what is that one? You write the scenario and you write the architecture diagram. So question I will ask you a bit widely. So you take any one scenario and write it. So don't waste your time. You have 1.5 hour time in this one question. How much time is required? You decide it and write the diagram. That's it. Don't bother for this. Just you think it, whatever it is required. So when they want to develop the software, what are all required? So what is the designing process? What is the analysis process? What is the testing process? All these things, the process based on the architecture diagram, whatever it is available in the PPT, the similarly you write it, and even 1 or 2 miss, nothing will happen. So you think and write it. That's all. Okay. So next, if you have any doubt, please let me know. First 3 chapters. 4th one is up to 2 expert reviews. Only 1 question from the 4th chapter. Any doubt now? Ajay? Ajay?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Do you have material now?
Yes, sir.
Textbook you are having?
No, sir. I have PPTs and notes, sir.
Okay. Once again, I'll send it. No problem. You have to prepare properly. You have to study it. See, don't write 1-line statement and 2-line statement for anything. Write it elaborately. Nothing will happen. That's what I told you the example also. If you write it some 3 lines, 4 lines, nobody will give you the marks. So expand it and write it. You are saying sometimes somebody will say only one statement. In newspaper, if you see it, they'll write it paragraphs. So how they are writing, that's all. So similarly, even we should write it in the examination also. So don't write 1-line statement, 2-line statement for 10 marks questions. So you have to write a 10 marks means at least 2 to 3 pages. With headings, you take proper example. One example over, you take one more example and write it. Nothing will happen. There is no wrong in that. You should write it. That is what the UID. Then only you'll get good marks. Sir, I have written correctly answers, 1 line, 2 lines, they will not give the marks. So you have to write it elaborately, detailed, you have to write it. With proper headings. Don't write something and all. So you have to write the proper headings. Next. Any doubts now? Innovative case study questions and syllabus for the test. Anybody is having? Aditya?
No, sir.
Okay. Apurva?
No, sir.
Okay, so you have to write it examination properly. So one day, one exam only. Last day. So you'll get one day and a night. So prepare well. First test, second test, write it properly. Try to score good marks. All the best for the test.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So somehow take the notes. Notes means textbook xerox or textbook. You send your friend to library. Let him take, and how you are sharing is left to you people. Because online also textbook is not available. So only offline only. So you have to move to library and you have to take it. Okay. So that is what you have to do it. So now shall I stop now? So if anybody is having doubt, you can ask me regarding test, internal test. You know rules, regulations for all the subjects. Same way you are writing. Whatever they are saying, you need to follow the rules, regulations, blue book, timings, all these things. And case study innovative, I have discussed today. The similarly, how to prepare the question paper. I'll prepare that, you'll get it, no problem. And I'll send the link, you accept it, then it will be added your name. So you have done already last semester examination, the same process will be followed. PPTs also I'll share it after this class. So, but still textbook you need to follow. That is what my suggestion. I'll send it PPTs, I don't have any problem, but you have to take textbook. All right. So what is the date today? Tina. Aditya. Answer alternate two. Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Answer
Yes, sir.
alternate. Next 3, 4,
Yes, sir. 4.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8. 8 absent. Bindu. 9. Bindu present. Right. 9, 10,
Yes, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 13, Harini. 14, 15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir. Yes, sir.
19,
Sir. Yes, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25, 24. Who is that? No, somebody is saying we have here. Right. 25,
Present, sir.
26. Santosh. 27,
Yes, sir.
28, 29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, 33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35, 50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Yes, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64, 64, 65, 66,
Present, sir.
67, 68, Shank, 69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74, 75, 76,
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
Okay. Right. So all the best for the test. Do well. So don't write short answers. I told you already. So write it elaborately and take your own examples also, no problem. Write it. But take with respect to our own examples. When you are developing like mobile, so Facebook or Twitter. So whatever, try to write textbook examples only so that we'll get good marks. Okay, don't take like our college example, for example, internal test, something like that. So specific, okay. Otherwise, try to write our own examples. Own examples means with respect to our field examples. So when you are taking mobile apps, so mobiles, so connectivity, internet, all these things with respect to ours, try to write the examples. That one only textbook also given the examples. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Ajay? Ajay?
Yes,
So
sir.
if any no doubt means we can close the class.
No doubt, sir.
Hmm?
No doubts.
So with respect to test. Okay. So PPTs I'll share it now and do well. All the best for the exam. Bye.